Hello mommies, I show you how to cook broccoli in easy ways. First, we need to clean the broccoli. Rinse in the water. Once the broccoli is done, just put a pinch of salt in it. In just 2 minutes, the broccoli is cooked already. We put here and then we put the cover. In microwave, we need to cook the broccoli for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, the broccoli is done. Ito na yung kinalabasan ng broccoli na niluto sa microwave for about 2 minutes. See, greenish na greenish at saka crunchy. Ito po din ang healthy ways na pagluluto ng broccoli. Hindi natatanggal ang nutrients kasi minsan pag niluluto or niluluto, i-stir fry natin, yung nutrients ay napupunta sa tubig. Kaya mas maganda tong gawin kung may microwave kayo, mga mamis. Next time again, another recipes from TV Nicole.